because the Dharavi is spread in 2.4 square kilometer.
Yeah.
In 2.4 square kilometer, Dharavi is spread. And the Dharavi population is almost 1 million people are living here in 2016 survey. Right now maybe above.
Okay,
the machine over here. They are cutting into like 3 and 4 parts and putting over here and cutting like these types of.
Okay. Now it's looked like we're in the middle of night now as we're going in the building. Look up. And these are all places where people live and work.
And the owner, the shop owner, the factory owner providing you food, hospitality and stay over here.
Okay.
And the price is very cheap. As $1 for whole meal, like a breakfast, dinner and lunch.
I booked an Uber, which should be here any minute. And we'll get there and meet your man that's going to take me. I'll tell you all about it. So I've just arrived with my Uber. It was very cheap, but it was about a 27-minute taxi ride. I think it was 189 rupees, and I gave a €100 tip, 100 rupee tip. Nice little ride. Now we're at the meeting point. We're at Third Wave Coffee. He's going to meet me in about a half an hour. Ian is his name. He has a YouTube channel himself. And he he's a resident of the Dharavi, and that he's going to show me around. So I was going to go in there and have a coffee now. So I'm here with Ian. He's just picked me up from the coffee shop. We're going to head over to Dharavi. This will probably be one of my most challenging vlogs in my career. I'm looking forward to it to see what challenges that they face and fights they overcome. So join me today as we go into Asia's largest slum. Now, as we get going, I'm going to be doing and releasing this video in a couple of shorter versions, probably 3 or 4. We'll see how it goes, but I will be releasing them every day. So once these starts, it'll be 3 or 4 consecutive days. I'm going to release it to show you what's Dharavi like. That's where you're from. Yeah. Okay, I'm here with Ian. He has a YouTube channel himself called Expose Channel. He's offered to show me around for the next 4 hours just to see what it's like and the struggles in Dharavi and the people living condition, what they work, and like they recycle so much for India and they generate a lot of revenue. Now they're being squeezed out a bit from, real estate companies wanting to get them and that. But we're going to take a look at the day-to-day life and what's going on and how people live here. Hi there. I was just talking to Ian. He has 485,000 subscribers. So he's giving me some tips. So on my adventure here and experience in Dharavi, we're going to do it in 3 parts. So you're going to have to stay tuned for the 3 different segments of what's going to happen and to see what it's like. We're going to show you a whole bunch of different aspects of it. So I just want you to stay with me and enjoy. And don't forget, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell button so you'll be notified when the video gets up. And we'll try to increase this channel so I can give you more and more content.
Okay, so I'll show you Dharavi in 3 parts.
Yeah.
Okay. First is a commercial area. So this is a commercial area over here. The commercial main business is recycling business.
Yeah.
Okay. The second is a residential area.
Yeah.
People are how living in the very small houses, and people are how earning money, like $100 in a month.
Yeah.
And how they are surviving in very small houses.
Yeah.
The third one is making clay products, like a flower pots, like a water bottles, anything else.
Yeah.
Okay.
Namaste.
Hi, how are you?
How are you? Namaste.
So this is a starting point.
Is it? I also know. Is it Muslim or is it Hindu?
Muslim.
Muslim. Okay.
So you have to say
Assalamu alaikum. Yes. Okay.
Yes. So this is a starting point of.
I have my shalwar kameez on.
Like Pakistan.
Yeah, I got it in Pakistan.
Yeah. This nice color.
Yeah.
So as you can see, everywhere is a plastic. Are you there? So I'll show you how they are recycling.
Okay.
There is a process of recycling over here. As you can see,
Oh
there are
yeah.
a lot of car
Parts.
Car
Yeah.
parts over here. So what they are doing, it's a very big part over here.
Yeah.
The first process is a cutting process.
Yeah.
Okay, cutting into small pieces. And the second process is also making small pieces. The different process over here.
Okay.
And the third process is a cleaning process because the dust is everywhere, you know,
Yeah.
the plastic. And the fourth one, making product. So I'll show you how the cutting process over here done and the cleaning process and making product, plastic product.
Yeah.
New one.
Okay.
Okay. So this is the whole process over here. First. अभी क्या बंद है क्या लंच टाइम चल रहा है Okay, this is us starting first point. What they are doing, they are collecting that product,
Yeah.
and this is a cutter machine over here, the big one.
Okay.
The
Yeah.
cutter machine over here. They are cutting into like 3 and 4 parts, and putting over here, and cutting like these types of
Okay.
plastics.
Okay. From
So
the
this
big.
is yes. This is a raw material right
Yeah.
now, and the very dusty over there.
Yeah.
So second process is a cleaning process, and the black one is a very cheap product
Okay.
compared to white plastic.
Okay.
Why? Because you can make only black product to black one. That's why black is very hard, and you can make only black product. But if you are going to white plastic is very expensive plastic because you can make any products or any colors also.
Okay.
And the white plastic is very hard to clean because some dust is not easy to remove from white plastic. So they are boiling for white plastic for cleaning process. I'll show that.
Okay.
Okay. Why? Because of the main is a recycle business, making product over here, and these people are coming from village like a UP,
Yeah.
Uttar Pradesh, like a Bihar, like a Kolkata. People are coming here and for employ over here.
Yes.
Why people are giving for recycling over here? Because of the salary wages is very less. People are working with like a 300 rupees per day as compared to monthly like $100.
Okay.
100 to $150 if you have a good experience.
Yeah.
Like a 150 to 200, maximum $200 for
Yeah.
1 month. And the owner, the shop owner, the factory owner providing you food, hospitality, and stay over here.
Okay.
So why they are doing business? Because owner are providing everything, food, hospitality, and stay over here. So these guys save whole salary and sending to the village.
Oh, yeah.
Like mother is over there, like a family, like a wife, children, everywhere is in the village. So that's why people are coming here to make a business and make a profit and for salary basis also.
And it generates 1 billion revenue per year.
Yes, per
and
year, per
does
year.
the people that own the factories, do they live here or do they live outside now?
No. But people are living here.
Yeah.
The owner, the factory owner is live here in the apartment also. The
apartment.
very expensive apartment
Yeah.
over here. Because the Dharavi is spread in 2.4 square kilometer.
Yeah.
In 2.4 square kilometer, Dharavi
Yeah.
is spread. And the Dharavi population is almost 1 million people are living here in
Yeah.
2016 survey. Right now maybe above.
Yeah, more
Not
than that.
more than 1 million.
Yeah.
Why? The land is very expensive over here.
Yeah.
The connectivity, we have a good connectivity like railway, like a local train is over there.
Yeah.
In the future, the metro is upcoming project is a metro. The rickshaw stand is nearby, the hospital and schools everywhere.
Yeah.
That's why Dharavi is a very famous, and people are calling Dharavi is the heart of Mumbai because of the connectivity and the services also. So this is a cleaning process over here.
Okay.
But this is not for white plastic. This is
No.
for color plastic.
Yeah.
What they are doing, they are using some net, some
Screen.
Yes.
Yeah.
This is a 3 types of water over here. This is a very dark. You can see
Okay.
the plastic is inside. See.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, this is a plastic for cleaning process. So this guy is using for 3 attempts or 4 attempts for cleaning process. As you can see, the dust is
Yeah.
very dirty,
Very dirty.
and this is also dirt. So everywhere different business.
Yeah.
Here different business and different owner also.
Okay.
So main is a recycle plastic, and the second is main business like a cloth business over here.
Okay.
Like making shirts, jeans, t-shirts, like kurtas you also already wear.
Yep.
So this is also making in Dharavi
Okay.
because of the labor is very cheap over here.
Yeah.
And this is a trolley bag over making here.
Yeah.
This is a part of trolley bag. This guy is making only frame over here, not whole trolley bag.
Okay.
So what they are doing, they are sending to different places in
Yeah.
Dharavi also. I'll show you that.
Okay.
Okay. So what they are doing, just making frame over here and sending to the different person to making whole trolley bag.
Yeah.
As like your bag is also making here.
Yeah.
Yeah, but not a big brand, like a local brand over
Yeah.
here. The Dharavi people are affording this food, very
Yeah.
cheap food, like a $1 for one day.
Okay.
This guy's providing a lunch and dinner also in a $1 full whole meal.
That would be provided by the owners, or that's different?
That's a different. This
Okay.
is a small restaurant.
Yeah.
Affordable restaurant.
Yeah.
But this guy is charging as per the
And they have even a QR code.
QR code.
Okay.
But people, when you are going any restaurant,
Yes.
so they charge you food amount on the spot, no paying later, right?
Yeah.
But here you can pay later
Okay.
in a week because people are working in a weekly basis salary. In Dharavi,
Yeah.
people are not working like a monthly basis salary. People
Right.
are working weekly basis salary.
Yeah.
So that's why this guy, this owner, providing you meal for the whole week, and when the week is ended,
You pay him.
that time he's asking money.
Okay.
So that's a different from other. And the price is very cheap. As
Yeah.
a $1 for
Yeah.
whole meal, like a breakfast, dinner and lunch.
Oh,
Everything in a $1.
that's very reasonable.
And all is also for recycling over here.
When they come. Oh, so take the old shoes and they make it up?
Shoes part, bottom part.
The bottom part of the shoes.
Because some part is like a PVC material.
Yeah.
PVC material. So they are collecting PVC material from the shoes and chappals and sandals.
Okay.
And this is also same, going for cutting and melting process and cleaning process and making product.
Not very health and safety oriented. Like his feet and his arms are pushing it in. There is injuries that can happen also.
Not too much health and safety there. Do they ever have like bad injuries? Like their hand gets caught or? Jeez. Especially if you're hot and tired and hungry, chances of making a mistake is that much more, you know? At least that what happens to me. Like when I was doing one of the hikes in Nepal, I was like hungry and tired, and then I slip and fall because your body and mind doesn't work.
Where?
In Nepal?
In Nepal. Okay,
Yeah.
Nepal.
Yeah, did the
So this machine,
yeah,
this is a cutter machine.
Cutter
Very
machine.
loud machine.
yeah,
As you can see.
yeah,
This machine making in Dharavi.
yeah.
I
Oh, they make the
believe-
machine and
Yeah, every part of machine in Dharavi.
Okay.
I'll show you the factory.
Wow. And has that all made from recycled stuff too?
No, these are all
It's all
new
prop-
one.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
this is the factory over here.
Yeah. Okay.
First, I'll show you color process over here.
Yep.
This is color and dyeing factory.
Oh, okay.
So this is a sample of some fabrics over here, some here. People are giving white clothes and asking, I want so and so color.
Okay.
In a week, in a 2 months, in a month. Giving some.
It's very
time also.
very humid in here.
Yes.
Like, it's cool outside, but it's warm in here. Assalamu alaikum.
So this is a process over here. What they are doing, they are boiling
Yeah.
water, Ireland,
Ireland.
and this is all are
Oh, the
powder
dyes.
colors.
Okay.
But these guys have a very good sense of coloring.
Okay.
Yes, almost 15 years, 12-year experience. Which colors makes which one, we don't know. But
Yeah.
this guy is very experienced person. So what they are doing, they are putting some colors over here, the
Okay.
powder color, and boiling the water, and putting white clothes, and again they are checking
To the right
samples here. And this is a dryer machine over here.
color. Okay.
This is also not like big brand making it. This is a local brand over here making it. This dryer.
Okay.
So this machine is also making here over here.
Yeah.
Every part is making in Dharavi. Not from China.
No.
Not from Japan. Only made in India. Made in Dharavi.
And then they use that to cut all the pieces
Yes.
and recycle it. Yeah.
The weight machine is almost 1000 kg.
Okay.
The weight. See, this is the blade over here. The blade is almost 25 kg, 30 kg per blade.
Yeah.
The weight is blade is 25 to 30 kg. Every part is very, very heavy. See. See the fabric factory over here.
Okay. Oh yeah. Assalamualaikum.
So these are all our business
Yep.
in Dharavi, making a lot of profits over here. This guy's making jeans over here. Jeans, t-shirts, shirts, kids, princess frocks.
Now it's looked like we're in the middle of night now as we're going in the building. Look up. And these are all places where people live and work.
So this is underwear,
Yeah.
lady underwear,
Yes.
also making here. But local brand is also making lots of profit.
Yes.
We have a different street and
Yep.
different business.
Yes.
Every street have a different types of business over here.
So it's organized.
Yes. Washing machine,
Okay.
straight. Second hand washing machine is straight.